Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Blends by Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, So, whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. Hit the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Blends by Tweetie. Good morning, smoothie lovers. If your mornings are busy but still want something nourishing, this Oatmeal Blueberry Breakfast Smoothie is a game changer. At around 350 calories, it's filling, energizing, and naturally delicious. Start with half a cup of rolled oats. They'll keep you full and fueled for hours. Add in a ripe banana for creaminess and natural sweetness. Next, toss in a cup of frozen blueberries, packed with antioxidant and that gorgeous purple color. Pour in a cup of unsweetened almond milk to bring everything together. Then add a drizzle of honey or maple syrup if you want it sweeter, plus a dash of vanilla extract for that cozy flavor. Blend it all up until smooth and creamy. And just like that, you've got an awesome breakfast in a glass. Fast, filling, and flavorful. Perfect for busy mornings. I got you. Yes.